Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use gift cards on hotels.com. So if you also want to use gift cards on hotels.com, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open hotels.com application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here hotels.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to use the gift card on hotels.com, you'll have to go to the payment details section. For that, first of all, you'll have to start booking the hotel. First of all, search for the hotel according to the destination that you want to go to. In order to select the destination, all you have to do is tap on the going to option that you can see right over here. Now simply what you have to do is search for the destination, type in the destination. Now here you'll be able to see the results. Simply tap on the destination that you want to go to. Now also select the date, tap on the option date. Now from here you'll be able to select the date, tap on the date when you're going. Now what you have to do is tap on the date when you're returning. After that, what you have to do is tap on the done option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now also select the number of travelers. Simply tap on the option travelers. Now from here you'll be able to select the number of room, adults and children. Select the number of adults. If you want to increase it, simply tap on the plus icon that you can see right over here. If you want to decrease the number of adults, simply tap on the minus icon that you can see right over here. Do the same with the children. After you're done, simply tap on the done option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you select the destination, date and travelers, all you have to do is search for the hotel. Simply tap on the search option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you'll be able to see hundreds of hotels over here. Scroll down for more options. Once you find the hotel of your choice, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option see details that you can see at bottom. Now from here, you'll be able to see the details of the hotel. You can see the photos over here. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the details. You'll be able to see the facilities. Also, you'll be able to see location. You can select the room according to your choice. If you like the room, simply tap on the option select and customize. Now from here, you'll be able to customize your stay. If you want extras, simply tap on the extras of your choice. Now at the bottom left, you'll be able to see the price. If you want to reserve it, simply tap on the reserve option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select your payment options over here. You can either pay the total now or you can also pay when you stay. If you want to use the gift card, what you have to do is pay the total now. For that, simply tap on the pay now option that you can see right below the pay the total now option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, check the details. Check the details like check-in, check-out, also check other details. Also, you'll have to check your details. You'll also be able to check the property details. Finally, you'll be able to see the option for payment details over here. Here, you'll be able to find several payment options. You can see the option for card, PayPal and gift card. If you want to use the gift card, simply tap on the option gift card that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to use your gift card. Check your balance and choose how much you want to pay with your gift card. You can pay with just your gift card or you can also use your credit or debit card. You can use any remaining balance for future bookings. Now what you have to do is enter the gift card number over here. Simply tap right over here. Now enter the 16-digit gift card number. After that, you'll have to enter the gift card PIN code. Simply tap on this box. Now enter the 8-digit gift card PIN code. You'll also be able to check your balance over here. If you tap on the option check balance, you'll be able to check the balance. Now after you do this, you'll be able to pay from the gift card. Now you can proceed to book your hotel. So that is how you use gift cards on hotel.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.